So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crypto Wave channel. I hope you are doing well. So, today video is going to be a bit different. We are going to analyze Bitcoin, pure technical analysis, and I will give you some insights about the long term and short term scenarios of Bitcoin, what we should expect on the Bitcoin in the upcoming days, and later on the bigger time frames as well. So, if you are new to the channel and you don't have subscribed the channel, I want you to subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you want to join the Telegram community and want to learn trading, I will drop the link below in the description. You can check the link and you can join the Telegram community. It's a lot of fun to have you people on board. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, we will go to the 4-hour time frame and analyze the Bitcoin on 4-hour time frame and see what we have on 4 hours. So let's hop into the charts real quick. So this is 4-hour time frame here. Okay. So as on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that for the past few days Bitcoin has been range bound. There is a range, and Bitcoin has been consolidating in the same range for the past few days. It's not few days, it's been like 10 to 15 days. That's a very long time, and it is very dangerous if Bitcoin is consolidating in such range. It is not good for the Bitcoin as well as the other coins. So this is our range. So what I expect of Bitcoin is to somehow come out of this range no matter what. If it wants, we cannot decide the next moment of Bitcoin until Bitcoin breaks any of this range. If it breaks the above range, this is my target for the short term. I would call it T1, target 1 for short term, only if Bitcoin breaks above this place, this range above. However, we have seen in the previous cases, if Bitcoin consolidates in such range, we see Bitcoin always breaking down. So what will happen if Bitcoin breaks down? So Bitcoin has not made any, this is the lowest possible in this bull run 2020 and 2021. This was the lowest point of the Bitcoin. I don't want Bitcoin to go further below that. If it goes further below that, we can see $21,000 as well below the $21,000. However, I want to break it above this point. But in usual cases, when Bitcoin consolidates so much, it in the most cases it breaks down. We have seen it in the past as well. Let me show you real quickly. Let's go to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. So look at this area. If you want to look at this area, you can see a little bit of similarity in this area. There are two similarities. One is this big wick. There is a huge sell-off from this point. It break down all the supports, major support levels as well. And then there was a little relief rally. It consolidated for 10 to 15 days. Then a little bit of a relief rally, and then eventually it broke down the previous lows. It was the previous low and it broke down it further. So we have the same similarity here. We can see that it went down. There's a quick buying. There's a very big wick, large wick, just like this one. We can see this wick here. And then there was consolidation for 15 days. This consolidation and this consolidation. You can see it's almost identical. So there is a very huge chance that if the same thing happens like that one, so we might see it like this, hitting my target, then creating new lows. But that would be very bad for the crypto market. I don't want that to happen, but just because of this, there is a chance that this can happen. And there is another confluence as well. If I want to show you that, you can see the position of RSI at this level. The RSI was moving up like this, and the price was going down and consolidating like this. Now at this point you can see the RSI, it is having the same position. It is the RSI is going up and the price it's coming down and consolidating. So there is a chance that this thing can play out. It will hit the stop losses on the above side to the ranges, to this range, but I don't recommend to open any kind of trade right now because this is just for the educational purposes. It's not a financial advice, but this is just the confluence I wanted to tell you. However, this is a very major support. This is a very big support level. I don't want Bitcoin to break this support level. This is a very huge support level, and the major resistance is at 45. If we break above 45, we can see a continuation in the bull run. However, currently I am just expecting Bitcoin to consolidate further in this range. Well, if we see on the weekly channel, we can see that this is the big support currently Bitcoin is holding. Very big support here, and support here as well. So however, in the past we have seen that whenever there is a sell-off like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles red, then few candles green, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have the same scenario here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 red candles, 9 weekly red candles. That means the Bitcoin has been bleeding for the past 9 weeks, which is not a very good idea. So we should expect at least few, like these 2 weekly, let's say, good candles. Bitcoin should at least give us a chance, like 2 good the candles, green candles. That would be very healthy for the markets, and the target would be same. This range high would be the target, $34,000. If it breaks above $34,000, we can see the second target on $37,000. So talking about this indicator, yes, we can see that Bitcoin is in downtrend. We want this kind of crossover at least at some point, and that will not happen until Bitcoin crosses $35,000 area. And this is another indicator that I often use. This is called FLI. It gives us the trend continuation. I do not rely on these indicators, but they are very helpful. So we can see that the FLI is also indicating the downtrend currently on Bitcoin. We want this blue line on the FLI, and that will only happen if the Bitcoin crosses this level. So this is the key level for the Bitcoin. This level is the major key level. I want Bitcoin to somehow get above this level and give us some hope at least. So this was insight about the Bitcoin. In these upcoming series, I will keep updating you about this kind of technical analysis videos, so you can have some good trades, and you can have some good insights about the next few short-term movements as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please make sure that you subscribe the channel and you hit the like button, and there's a link in the description to join our community. Please join the community. It would be very good of you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.